Let's solve a few questions based on proportion. When the question shows up on screen, pause, go through it and then proceed. The mean proportional between two numbers is 12. So if two numbers are A and B, the mean proportional would be root AB. This is equal to 12. The third proportional of the same number is 96. If the third proportional is C, then we have A upon B is equal to B upon C. This implies A upon B is equal to B upon 96. C is the third proportional. It would be 96. So we have equation 1 and equation 2. Get the value of B. Here we have AB as 144. From here we have B square upon A is equal to 96. Multiply this equation with this equation. Multiply the left hand sides. A and A will get cancelled. We have B cube is equal to 144 into 96. B will come out to be 24. Put B as 24 here. A will come out to be 144 upon 24, that is 6. So greater of the two numbers is 24, which we have been asked in the question. Next question. You see m plus n upon m minus n format anywhere, immediately think on the lines of componendo and dividendo. Okay, what is componendo and dividendo? When A upon B is equal to C upon D, we have A plus B upon A minus B is equal to C plus D upon C minus D. So here, this whole numerator is A, this whole denominator is B. Okay, this denominator is B, this whole numerator is A, this whole is C, this whole denominator is D. So A upon B is equal to C upon D. So we will add A and B and put in the numerator here. A plus B would be 2 times root of x plus 1 upon A minus B would be 2 times root of x minus 1. This would be equal to 4x minus 1 plus 2 is 4x plus 1 upon 4x minus 1 minus 2 is 4x minus 3. 2 and 2 will get cancelled. Square both the sides and we will get x plus 1 upon x minus 1 is equal to 16x square plus 8x plus 1 upon 16x square minus 24x plus 9. Now either cross multiply or we can take componendo and dividendo again. Okay, because we still see m plus n upon m minus n format here. So we can take componendo and dividendo again. So x plus 1 plus x minus 1 would be 2x upon x plus 1 minus x minus 1 minus x, and minus will become plus. So this would be 2 in the denominator. And add this numerator and denominator, we will have 32x square plus 8x minus 24x is minus 16x plus 1 plus 9 is plus 10. Subtract this denominator from the numerator, 16x square will get cancelled. 8x minus of minus 24x is 32x minus 8. 2 and 2 will get cancelled. Now we can cross multiply again. And this would be 32x square minus 8x is equal to 32x square minus 16x plus 10. Okay, x will come out to be 10 upon 8 or 5 upon 4. Okay, next question. So a plus b upon root of ab is given to us as 4 upon 1. We have to find a is to b, ratio of a and b. So you can divide both the sides by 2. We'll have a plus b upon 2 root ab is equal to 2 upon 1. Now apply componendo and dividendo here. A plus b plus 2 root ab upon a plus b minus 2 root ab is equal to 2 plus 1, that is 3 upon 2 minus 1 is 1. So this is what? This is root a plus root b whole square, and this is root a minus root b whole square, root a minus root b whole square, which is equal to 3 upon 1. Take square root both the sides, we'll get root a plus root b upon root a minus root b is equal to root 3 upon 1. We still have m plus n upon m minus n format. We can apply componendo and dividendo again. So add these numerator and denominator. This would be 2 times root a upon, subtract this denominator from the numerator, we will have 2 times root b is equal to root 3 plus 1 upon root 3 minus 1. 2 and 2 will get cancelled. We have to find the ratio of a and b, a is to b. So square both the sides. A upon b will be equal to root 3 plus 1 whole square upon root 3 minus 1 whole square, which is equal to 3 plus 2 root 3 plus 1 upon 3 minus 2 root 3 plus 1, which will be equal to 2 plus root 3 upon 2 minus root 3. This is the final answer. Next question. So we have this ratio x upon y plus z is equal to y upon z plus x is equal to z upon x plus y. And this sum is not equal to 0. So we can have x plus y plus z in the denominator, which is here in the denominator. Okay, we have to find the value of y upon x plus y plus z. So we can use this property. X upon y plus z, this ratio is equal to this ratio is equal to this ratio, which will be equal to sum of numerators. I am writing it here. This will be equal to x plus y plus z upon sum of denominators, y plus z plus x plus y. This would be 2 times x plus y plus z. This whole will get cancelled and we'll get 1 upon 2. So y upon x plus z is equal to 1 upon 2. This means x plus z upon y is equal to 2 upon 1. Now do componendo here. We'll get x plus y plus z upon y is equal to 3 upon 1. Okay, add 1 both the sides, we'll get this. So we are asked y upon x plus y plus z. Y upon x plus y plus z would be equal to 1 by 3. Okay, apply invertendo here. Okay, inverse the left hand side as well as right hand side, and we'll get y upon x plus y plus z as 1 upon 3. Next question. Last but not the least. So we need to apply this property here, and we can directly say the final result is going to be 3 upon 5 whole cube. Okay, the final answer will be 3 upon 5 whole cube. If you don't remember the property, you can take a upon b is equal to c upon d is equal to e upon f is equal to k. Okay, this whole is k. So a will be equal to bk, c will be equal to dk, e will be equal to fk. Put these values in the numerator here. K cube will come out common and numerator and denominator will both get cancelled. So you will be left with k cube finally, and k cube is 3 upon 5 whole cube, which is our answer. Thank you.